Hello students, welcome to the new video. Hope you all are doing well. Today we study chapter number 6, self-reliance, exercise 3, 4 and 6. Exercise 3 which is MCQs, exercise 4 which is right or wrong and exercise 6 which is question answer. So let's discuss exercise 3. Point number 1. In every work of genius, we recognize our own rejected dash. Option A ideas, B thoughts, C concepts, D motives. Right option B thoughts. Point number 2. According to the author, envy is dash. A bliss, B evil, C suicide, D ignorance. Right option D ignorance. Point number 3. Insist on yourself, never dash. A. Imitate, B. Indicate, C. Initiate, D. Imply. Right option A. Imitate. Point number 4. According to the author, it is dash in the world to live after the world's opinion. Option A. Important, B. Unimportant, C. Easy, D. Difficult. Right option D. Difficult. Point number 5. Society undergoes dash changes. A. Continuous, B. Continual, C. Collective, D. Creative. Right option B. Continual. Point number 6. Every great man is dash. A. Simple, B. Unique, C. Rare, D. Common. Right option B. Unique. 7. A society acquires new arts and loses old dash. A. Ways, B. Methods, C. Instincts, D. Approaches. Right option C. Instincts. Point number 8. Civilized man has lost his dash strength. A. Aboriginal, B. Original, C. Real, D. Physical. Right option A. Aboriginal. Point number 9. The civilized man has lost the use of his feet because he has built dash. A. Car, B. Coach, C. Crutches, D. Castle. Right option B. Coach. Point number 10. A solstice is a dash. A. Position of moon, B. Position of sun, C. Time of the sky, D. Period of air. Right option B. Position of sun. Now move towards on exercise number 4 which is right or wrong. Point number 1. In self-reliance urges people to trust themselves. Right. Point number 2. According to the author, the greatest obstacle to trust yourself in society. Right. Point number 3. The author exhorts human beings to strive for absolute consistency. Wrong. Point number 4. We should abide by our own thoughts and opinions. Right. Point number 5. Great man always remains in solitude for perfection. Wrong. Point number 6. Society always undergoes constant changes from better to worse and vice versa. Right. Point number 7. Every man is responsible to make for himself and his own. Right. Now move towards on exercise number 6 which is question answer. Question number 1. What makes a man great according to the author? Answer. According to the author, self-reliance make a man great. Every person has a power hidden inside. Just recognize that power and depending upon yourself. Question number 2. Why is self-reliance important for one's development? Answer. Self-reliance is important for one's development. Learning to be self-reliant is important at a young age, so it can develop as they grow older. Being self-reliant gives you ability to take control over your life and being able to take care yourself. Question number 3. What is mark of genius according to the author? Answer. According to the author, to believe your own thoughts, to believe what your heart say, what is true for you. That is the mark of genius. Question number 4. What happens when a person does not value one's own qualities? Answer. When a person not value his own qualities, he will not live a satisfying life. When he does not believe in his own qualities, so how other believe in his qualities? Question number 5. Why does the author emphasize means zor dena on developing one's own individuality? Answer. Emerson begins the essay by explaining the importance of being confident and expressing ideas and opinions without concern for how they will be perceived by others. If the person refuses to be true to their own individual beliefs, then they will not live a satisfying life. Question number 6. How can a person be happy according to the author? Answer. According to the author, a person can be happy when he puts his heart into his work and done his best. Question number 7. What I must do is all that concerns me, not what the people think. Do you agree to this statement? Gives reason for your agreement or disagreement. Yes, I agree to this statement because if we think about people, so we never get development because every people have different minds. So we can't make happy every pupils at the same time. So always do what your heart says. It's up to you if you agree or disagree. If you disagree, so write disagree reason. Question number 8. What kind of changes does a society undergo according to the author? Society never advances, it undergoes continual changes. It is civilized, it is religious, it is rich, it is scientific, but this change is not for better. For everything that is given, something is taken. Compare the two men, and you can see that civilized man has lost his aboriginal strength. Aboriginal strength means makami takat. Question number 9. How do you relate the message of essay to your real life? Answer. I also don't rely myself. I also think what people says. I also want to become a civilized, but now from this lesson I can learn many messages relate to my real life. Question number 10. Write a brief summary of the arguments presented in the text. Answer. Self-Reliance is an essay by Ralph Waldo Emerson. Emerson explains to the reader that true direct knowledge can only come from within. Any knowledge that a person learns from another person or a book is not true knowledge. The more people use their intuition and believe in themselves, the better society will be. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. If this video can help you, so kindly like, comment, share and subscribe.